Hello guys, welcome back to my video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer your files without using any kind of USB cables. So let's get started. You can see this over here. It is an app you have to download, and after that you have to put this IP address on this search box on this PC, and after that once you will do that, you can see over here you can find your all the files right over here without using any kind of USB. How simple is that? So guys, thanks for watching. That's all in this video. Very simple and quick. Leave a like and don't forget to subscribe.